Hello students, welcome to lecture number 5 of lesson Force and Pressure. Students, in this lecture we will see some numericals. To solve these examples, we will need the following formulae. First formula, pressure is equal to force upon area, that is P is equal to F upon A. On rearranging, force is equal to pressure into area, or area is equal to force upon pressure. Second, density is equal to mass upon volume. And relative density of a substance is equal to density of the substance upon density of water. Now, let's begin with the examples. First example, a force of 1000 Newton is applied over an area 50 cm by 20 cm. Find the corresponding pressure. Students, let's write first given. Here, force F is equal to 1000 Newton. And area A is equal to 50 cm by 20 cm. Students, here lengths are given in CGS units. We have to convert it in first SI units. So here, to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide lengths by 100. Therefore, area A is equal to 50 upon 100 meter into 20 upon 100 meter. Hence, A is equal to 0.5 meter into 0.2 meter, which is equal to 0.10 meter square. That is, A is equal to 0.1 meter square. And here we have to calculate pressure P. As you know that pressure P is equal to force F upon area A. On substituting given values, we get pressure P is equal to 1000 Newton upon 0.1 meter square. Students, here 0.1 is equal to 1 upon 10. Therefore, 1 upon 0.1 is equal to 10. Hence, P is equal to 1000 into 10, which is equal to 10,000 Newton per meter square. Therefore, pressure is equal to 10⁴ Newton per meter square. Example number 2. The density of a metal is 10.8 into 10⁻³ kilogram per meter cube. Find the relative density of the metal. Here given is density of metal is 10.8 into 10⁻³ kilogram per meter cube, and we have to find out relative density of the metal. We know that density of water is equal to 10⁻³ kilogram per meter cube, which is standard value. Now formula, relative density of a substance is equal to density of substance upon density of water. On substituting given values, we get relative density of a substance is equal to 10.8 into 10⁻³ kilogram per meter cube upon 10⁻³ kilogram per meter cube. 10⁻³ cancels from numerator and denominator. Hence, the relative density of the metal is equal to 10.8. Now, third example. The volume of an object is 20 cm³ and the mass is 50 gram. The density of water is 1 kg per meter cube. Will the object float on water or sink in water? First given volume V is equal to 20 cm cube, mass small m is equal to 50 gram, density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. To find out whether object will float on water or sink in water, we have to first find out density of substance. We know that density is equal to mass upon volume. On substituting given values, we get density is equal to 50 gram upon 20 centimeter cube, which is equal to 5 by 2 gram per cubic centimeter, equal to 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Hence, here we get density of substance is 2.5 gram per centimeter cube and density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore, density of object is greater than density of water. As the density of object is greater than the density of water here, the object will sink in water. Fourth example, the volume of a plastic covered sealed box is 350 centimeter cube and the box has mass of 500 gram. Will the box float on water? What will be the mass of water displaced by the box? And here given is volume V is equal to 350 centimeter cube. Mass M is equal to 500 gram. To find whether the box float on water, we have to find out density of plastic box. And we know that density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Now, to calculate first part of the example, density is equal to mass upon volume. Now, on substituting given values, we get density is equal to 500 gram upon 350 centimeter cube. Therefore, density is equal to 50 upon 35 gram per centimeter cube, which is equal to 10 upon 7 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore, on dividing, we get density of plastic box is equal to 1.428 gram per centimeter cube. And we already knows that density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Hence, here density of plastic box is greater than density of water. As the density of plastic box is greater than density of water, here the box will sink in water. Now, B part of this example. Here, the volume of water displaced by the box V is equal to 350 centimeter cube. Now, density is equal to mass upon volume. Therefore, mass of water is equal to density of water into volume. On substituting given values, we get mass of water is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube into 350 centimeter cube, which is equal to 350 gram. Hence, the mass of water displaced by the box is 350 gram. So children, I hope you understand all these examples. Do practice of these examples once again. Thank you children.